That's my burger over there in the corner. I'm not eating that fish. But this is Miss Lonnie's. That's her prize salmon she caught out in the ocean. No. All right. So we got the awning out, got the light on. Look at that. Look, she's eating a hot dog, a cheese dog. All right. And Trixie's over there in the truck. She don't like the trailer. And we got the campfire over there trying to get it started. Seems to be going a little bit. There we are. How's that? There we go. Hey, slide that box out of the way.
Huh?
That box. There you go. Anyway, here you didn't get a chance to see out our back door. It goes off down in the hole over here, and the stream is right. It's hard to see it, but it's right there. Whoa. Put my finger. That water is cold.
You should see the water. Did you see the water?
Yeah, well, I'll do that tomorrow. Anyway, so we're up here on a ledge, and these rocks are up under here. All right, back to Miss Lonnie. Say hi with your mouth full.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.